Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for JASMY, we are trading at 0.002858. 24-hour volume, we are up 33%, and market cap, we are down 5.34%. So let's go ahead and head over to our daily chart here because JASMY just broke our support line of 0.002930, and really we're in no man's land here, taking a look at a few targets, but it's just continuous selling, red candles. There is panic in the marketplace and people are dipping out. As we can see here with our MACD indicator, we are in the first wave, but notice in this wave itself how big these histograms are compared to the last dip that we saw in the marketplace on a daily time frame for JASMY. So we are anticipating that JASMY is going to drop significantly with these two histograms here. And if we take a look at our next fib retracement, to be honest with you, it's going to probably dip down here at 0.002416. We may see some high wick candles in the marketplace as the price itself is going to fixate at that dollar price. So high wick candles, you know, we can see here we have the high wicks at the very bottom. So we may see the price surge all the way up here because it could be a possible swing trade for people getting into the market and make shorter trades on JASMY itself. But let's take a deep dive into our 4-hour time frame. So what we've seen in the 4-hour time frame for JASMY is that, just kind of notice this for our Bollinger Bands at the upper band and the lower band are expanding. So again, higher volatility, the price movement is moving further away from the 20 moving average. So we retested it here on December 26th. Ever since we've had that retest, it has just been slashing right through our fib retracement. So it's kind of finding an area of support. Then what we'll see is the area find support. We'll see price come up and then come back down again because people are maximizing on when this pull, when the surge, and when the price does increase here. So what we've seen in the last couple of hours on a 4-hour time frame for JASMY is we're continuously hugging the bottom of the Bollinger Band, meaning we are considered as oversold. And again, people may take advantage of these high swing candles, selling them, creating the price to drop as well. We see it in this candlestick in the previous action that we've seen that selling feature. So again, what we may experience for JASMY is consolidation, coming down to an area of support, retesting the resistance, coming down to this area of support, and it all measures down to our momentum. So again, we see the momentum getting lighter in the color. If we do notice that it is continuously getting lighter in the color and getting smaller in these histograms, that's the consolidation phase until we're able to, one, have a third wave of these darker red colors. It will break the area of support, or if we see the crossover from the red over to the green, depending on how big that wave is, because we can see here we've got two instances where it really tried. The spaces in between our MACD indicator and our signal line barely even moved here. So if that does occur and we do see that green color for our MACD indicator retest this, depending on how big these bars become in the green color, we may break through that and price can come up to here. We do see this volume node that's sticking out, so most likely it may touch here before the resistance or the price does react and price may come down. So heading over to the 2-hour time frame, again, we are seeing the same movement that I guys told you that the price is coming down. We see these high wick candles because people are pushing the price, known an area of support, and then all of a sudden we see this drop. Now this candlestick itself, it's not a hammer candlestick. A lot of people think, you know, once you see the body at the very top and this high wick candle is a hammer candlestick, a possible reversal candlestick, an exhausted downtrend. This here is not the hammer candlestick. We need the wick itself twice the size of the body. So if we can see, you know, this here is basically matching the same body type. We would need it to have an extension on it for it to be discovered as a hammer candlestick, a signal that a reversal may occur. Now we do see this jump here. We see this little space in between these two candlesticks. Now this is left liquidity. This is left orders that it needs to fill in the near future. So we can see already this candlestick here is pushing the price or pushing this bar up here. That means it's going to fill these orders in here. And what we may see is either retest this resistance line that we see at 0.00287, retest it. Depending on the momentum here, we can see the smaller blocks are coming, either break it or get rejected from it. Okay, so just be very cautious going into JASMY. There is a lot of emotions going into the marketplace, and people are taking advantage of when the price does dip down to this area of support. So we can see it here again happening at an area of support. Price came up. We are most likely going to experience some selling features around this area of resistance as people are taking advantage of these shorter trades. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Hopefully I didn't talk too long or talk too fast for you. Like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time.